Hi guys, today I'm going to do a quick unbox of the RØDE famous VideoMic Pro Plus. This is Nelly from NMedia. Alright, so we got here RØDE's famous VideoMic Pro Plus. So this is the latest model of the VideoMic that they have, and I must say I'm pretty impressed with all the specs on this, and you know, it's a bit dearer, so you're looking at about $350 mark. So we just open the box and see what's inside. Okay, so a couple of things. There's a lot of hype on this mic as well, so a few things, you know, straight away you can see there's a lithium battery, so no more getting 9 volt batteries for the previous version of this, which is VideoMic Pro. And you can also just take the plug-in out of the socket as well, so which is going to be useful. So one main feature on this is that when you turn on the camera, this turns on with it. You don't manually have to go in and turn on the mic, so that's gonna be super useful. And also when you switch the camera off, this will switch off. So you know, there's a few ways to plug in this mic as well. You got the USB input where the battery can be charged as well, so you also have the ability to put just AA batteries instead of the lithium if you run out in the middle of shooting. So this is a quite excellent mic, so I'm very keen to see the quality of the voice on this mic, and I'll do a bit of a comparison with the predecessor of this as well, which is the VideoMic Pro. We'll see a bit of differences, so stay tuned. I'll be doing some tests on this mic to give you guys a good indication of what the quality is like on the voice on this one. Alright, so hope you guys like this unboxing of the RØDE VideoMic Pro. I'll catch you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Thank you.